Welcome back. Do you have a dog, and are you worried about osteoarthritis? Well, global animal health company Zoetis South Africa is launching medication for the alleviation of pain associated with this chronic and progressive joint disease. I am joined now by Tarryn Dent from Zoetis SA. Tarryn, a pleasure to have you on the program this afternoon. Can you firstly share more about the impact of this medication on the lives of dogs and their owners?
Thank you so much for having me this afternoon. So just having a pet with osteoarthritis can change the whole dynamic of the household, not only the pet itself, but also the pet owners. So just having more options available to be able to treat the underlying pain that pet is experiencing will just allow a better quality of life. So we really believe that having another product, a novel product like this available will impact, and we've already seen a large impact in dogs' lives.
So like you mentioned, osteoarthritis affects a significant portion of dogs, with approximately 40% showing signs of this condition. How does Zoetis then plan to address the prevalent issue of OA and also improve the lives of these canine companions?
So we do recognize that it is a very prevalent disease. There are a lot of dogs suffering with osteoarthritis. That's why we spent many years researching and coming up with new novel technologies to be able to find a product that's not only effective but also safe for them to be able to use, and easy and also convenient. This is a once-a-month product, and convenience plays a very important role. We all have such busy lives. So, not having to worry about a daily dose with the pet really also helps alleviate some of that stress that pet owner is feeling with the dog with chronic arthritis. We also believe quite a lot in creating awareness. So, platforms like this really help us as well, but we utilize through our veterinarians a lot of information that we can pass on to pet owners, also on microsites and that type of thing. So creating awareness about this disease so that a lot of pet owners will possibly go to the veterinarians and get a diagnosis and start treatment early.
Let's speak about your role as the business unit lead for companion animals at Zoetis. Could you elaborate on the significance of having this new product in the vet's toolbox and how it is expected to revolutionize the management of canine OA?
I think having something new available also allows veterinarians to be able to, have that conversation with the pet owners and make pet owners even more aware. And we're creating a lot of noise around this product and just around pain and osteoarthritis itself that I believe a lot of people will become more aware. And just by people becoming more aware, they will go to the veterinarian and ultimately get the diagnosis. But like I said a little bit earlier, having something that's convenient to give. It's a once-a-month injection, and like I say, like having a tablet every day to have to give, or, it's a syrup to give to your dog every day to help with the pain. Some owners really, and we've seen that in our research, some owners really struggle with that, and that decreases the compliance. So just being able to have something that the vet can offer to drive compliance, I think will revolutionize this disease. It has been available, this product has been available in certain countries overseas for a couple of years now. Yeah. There's been over 4 million doses given, so we can really see that, we're getting a lot of that feedback as well from other countries.
Safe to say that the condition is sometimes misunderstood, misdiagnosed, or even disregarded as a sign of aging for dogs. How can pet owners then identify signs of OA in their dogs, and what role does the new medication play in really addressing this condition, regardless of the dog's age?
That's a great question, because that is also sometimes people associate, they'll see their dog starting to slow down, maybe struggling to get up, struggling to climb up and down stairs, in and out of the car, getting a little bit quieter, not as active, and they will associate that with just normal signs of aging. But what could be happening is that dog could actually be in pain, and you may not be aware. And people often only expect that to happen in older dogs, but you can actually find that you can get osteoarthritis in dogs a year old. So, it's not just limited to old dogs, and that's why often people miss the signs and, like I say, just think their pet is slowing down.
With Dr. Tarryn Dent, of course, giving us some of the insights into the prevalence of OA in dogs, but I think we got the nub of some of the advice that she gave in this game-changing treatment that's on offer.